Welcome to Reggae Roots Market Countdown of the top 5 Jamaican breakfasts you absolutely need to try. You think you know breakfast? You think a bowl of soggy cereal is gonna cut it after we take you on this trip to Flavor Town? Listen up! From savory to sweet, these dishes are sure to tantalize your taste buds. We're talking bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and the kind of heartiness that sets you up for a day of crushing your goals. Get ready to ditch the pancakes because things are about to get deliciously Jamaican. This isn't some Mickey Mouse cooking show, alright? We're diving into the heart of Jamaican cuisine. And trust me, you'll be craving these dishes morning, noon, and night. First up, we've got the one, the only, Ackee and saltfish. This isn't just breakfast in Jamaica, it's practically a religion. We're talking about the national dish of Jamaica people. Ackee, this beautiful, delicate fruit cooked down with onions, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah, we like it hot. And then we add in the star of the show, the saltfish. Now don't turn your nose up at the saltfish. This isn't some dried-up reject from the fish market. This is cod that's been cured, preserving all that delicious flavor. You soak it, you flake it, and then you saute it with the ackee and vegetables. The result? Listen, you've got creamy ackee, salty, punchy fish, and a kick of heat that'll wake you up faster than a triple espresso. It's a flavor combination that'll make you want to book a one-way ticket to Kingston. Serve this bad boy up with some boiled green bananas, maybe some fried dumplings. We call them festival, more on those later. And you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. I'm telling you, ackee and saltfish is a flavor revelation. It's the perfect balance of savory and spicy, and it'll have you licking the plate clean. Don't even think about calling yourself a foodie until you've tried this Jamaican classic. Next up, we're hitting you with another Jamaican classic, callaloo and saltfish. We're swapping out the ackee for a big old pile of leafy greens, and let me tell you, this dish is packed with flavor and nutrients. Callaloo is like spinach's cooler, more sophisticated cousin. It's got this earthy, slightly sweet flavor that pairs perfectly with, you guessed it, saltfish. Now this isn't just some bland, boring green smoothie bowl, alright? We're talking sautéed onions, garlic, thyme, a touch of Scotch bonnet for that signature Jamaican heat. This is how we do greens, people. You cook down the callaloo with the aromatics, add in that flaky, flavorful saltfish, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's as delicious as it is healthy. Serve it up with some boiled green bananas, some fried plantains, or even a side of creamy avocado. Trust me, you won't miss the bacon and eggs. Callaloo and saltfish is a true taste of Jamaica, and it's a breakfast that'll fuel your body and soul. Now, let's talk about a Jamaican breakfast staple that's perfect for those on-the-go Johnny cakes. These little rounds of fried dough are crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and they're just begging to be dunked in your favorite Jamaican breakfast sauce. Don't let their size fool you, these little guys are packing some serious flavor. We're talking flour, cornmeal, sugar, a touch of salt, all mixed together and fried to golden perfection. You can enjoy them plain, but why would you when you can dunk them in some ackee and saltfish gravy? Or dip them in some spicy jerk chicken sauce? The possibilities are endless. Johnny cakes are the ultimate Jamaican comfort food. They're easy to make, even easier to eat, and they'll satisfy your cravings for something savory and satisfying. Trust me, once you try a Johnny cake, you'll be hooked for life. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of festival. These slightly sweet, crispy fried dumplings are a staple of Jamaican cuisine, and they're the perfect accompaniment to any breakfast dish. Imagine this, you've got a plate piled high with ackee and saltfish, or maybe some spicy jerk chicken, and nestled alongside is a golden brown festival, just begging to be devoured. These little guys are made with flour, cornmeal, sugar, and a touch of cinnamon, which gives them their signature sweetness. They're fried until they're crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, and they're absolutely irresistible. The sweetness of the festival perfectly complements the savory flavors of Jamaican cuisine. It's a match made in culinary heaven, and it's a combination you need to try to truly understand. So, next time you're looking for a breakfast treat that's a little bit different, a little bit sweet, and a whole lot delicious, reach for a festival. You won't be disappointed. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with Bammy, a traditional Jamaican flatbread that's as versatile as it is delicious. This ain't your average bread, folks. This is cassava root, grated, dried, and transformed into a culinary masterpiece. Bammy has this unique texture. It's kind of chewy, kind of dense, but in a good way. It's the perfect vehicle for soaking up all those delicious Jamaican flavors. You can enjoy Bammy fried, steamed, or even grilled. It's often served alongside fish dishes like Ackee and saltfish or escovitch fish, but it's also delicious with just a simple pat of butter. The subtle, earthy flavor of the cassava pairs perfectly with the bold, spicy flavors of Jamaican cuisine. It's a match made in culinary heaven, and it's a combination you need to try to truly understand. So, next time you're looking for a breakfast that's a little bit different, a little bit adventurous, and a whole lot delicious, reach for the Bammy. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through Jamaican breakfasts. We've covered it all, from the iconic Ackee and saltfish to the humble yet satisfying Bammy. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, these all sound amazing, but I can't just hop on a plane to Jamaica every time I want a proper breakfast. And you're right, you can't. But that doesn't mean you can't bring a taste of Jamaica to your own kitchen. Show some love to Reggae Roots Market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. And most importantly, get out there and try these incredible Jamaican breakfast dishes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching.